Our day begins and ends with numbers. The number of books in our bag, the desks in our classroom, and number of hours we sleep are few examples that show the importance of numbers in our life. Number system is a system for representing the numbers of certain types. There are 4 types of number systems introduced with the passage of time. They are decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. Do you know which type of number system do we use frequently? Decimal number system is the most widely used number system. Its base is 10, which means there are 10 unique digits used to represent numbers in the decimal system. These digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These digits are used individually or grouped together to represent a numeric value. For example, the digits 5 and 6 when combined together will form the numbers 56 and 65. Now, what is the difference between 56 and 65? Both the numbers are having 5 and 6 as its digits. Then why one number is different from other? It is because of the position of the digits in the number. The value of a digit in a number depends on the following: the face value of the digit, the base of the number system, the position of the digit in the number. Like decimal number system, binary number system is most widely used to perform arithmetic and logical operations in all digital circuits. Binary number system has 0 and 1 as its digits. This means the base of binary number system is 2. Since computer is an electronic device, it can have only 2 states, either on or off. In binary number system, 1 represents on and 0 represents off. So, binary number system plays a vital role in computers as it uses binary language to store the information. In computer, the input data is converted into binary form as it understands only binary language. Once the process is over, the binary values are converted into its decimal values for output. Now, let us focus on how to convert decimal numbers into binary numbers. It is a simple method as it involves dividing the given number by 2. Let's convert the decimal number 22 to its binary form. The first step is to divide the decimal number 22 by 2. Next, write down the quotient and the remainder. Here we have 11 as the quotient and 0 as the remainder. Then divide the quotient again by 2. Repeat the process until the quotient becomes 0. The remainders which are obtained in each step are written in reverse order to form the binary equivalent of the given decimal number. So, of the decimal number 22 is 10110. Now, we know how to convert decimal numbers to binary numbers. Let's learn to convert binary numbers to decimal numbers. Let's find the decimal value of the binary number 110. First, write the given binary number 110. Multiply the last digit of the binary number with 2 raised to the power 0. Then, multiply the next digit of the binary number with 2 raised to the power 1. Now, multiply the next digit of the binary number with 2 raised to the power 2. Finally, add all the obtained products to get the desired decimal number, which is 6.